Tired of bargain hunters wasting your time? You show up, answer all their questions, and give them a fair estimate only for them to hire the cheapest guy in town. You know, the guy who cuts corners and doesn't have a professional bone in his body. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. I'm sure you know that when you own a septic service business, not every call is a good one. You want real customers, people who value your experience, your professionalism, and the fact that you do the job right. All too often, your phone rings with people just looking for the lowest price and then ghosting you. But here's the good news. You can filter out the price shoppers, the tire kickers, and the wishy-washy maybes I want to think about it people. You filter them out by how you position your business online. When your Google Ads, landing pages, and Google Business Profile send the right message, you attract homeowners who care about quality and professionalism, not just price. The right customer knows they have a problem with their septic system, and they understand it costs money to solve that problem properly. So, as the owner of a septic service company, how do you send the right message to attract the best customers? You start by building trust. If you've been in business for years, say so. If you're licensed, insured, and certified by the state, highlight it in your ad and landing page. Show photos of your crew wearing uniforms. Share a picture of your clean, branded truck. All of this signals to a homeowner this company is legit. Next, build credibility with reviews. People trust other customers. Ask your happy clients to leave detailed reviews on your Google Business Profile. Encourage them to mention in the review what the job was, how fast you responded, and how professional your team was. A review that says great price tends to attract price shoppers, but a review that says they explained everything and did the job right brings in quality clients who are happy to pay your fee. Finally, make it easy to choose you. Have a clear, easy-to-read landing page. Display your phone number at the top. Let them know you offer free estimates and that you're available for emergencies, or you back your work with a guarantee. These are things price shoppers often ignore, but quality buyers appreciate. When your online presence reflects the quality of your work, you'll attract more serious customers and waste less time on tire kickers. With years of experience running Google Ads for septic companies, I know what works and what doesn't. If you're ready to start growing your business and stop wasting time on bad leads, I'd love to help you. Sign up for a free phone consultation with me. The link is in the description. There's no pressure, just straight, honest talk about how to get your business to the next level.